The doctor is very kind. The doctor is very kind. I visit the doctor today. I visit the doctor today. She works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. The doctor checks my heartbeat. The doctor checks my heartbeat. He gives me medicine. He gives me medicine. I have an appointment today. I have an appointment today. The nurse helps the doctor. The nurse helps the doctor. He wears a white coat. He wears a white coat. She listens to my chest. She listens to my chest. The doctor writes a prescription. The doctor writes a prescription. I feel better now. I feel better now. He treats sick people. He treats sick people. She asks about my pain. She asks about my pain. The clinic opens early. The clinic opens early. I wait in the room. I wait in the room. He gives helpful advice. He gives helpful advice. She works very hard. She works very hard. The doctor is on duty. The doctor is on duty. I need to see a doctor. He checks my temperature. He checks my temperature. She smiles at patients. She smiles at patients. The doctor washes his hands. The doctor washes his hands. I take the medicine daily. I take the medicine daily. He helps injured people. He helps injured people. She uses a stethoscope. She uses a stethoscope. The doctor calls my name. The doctor calls my name. I trust my doctor. I trust my doctor. He works at night. He works at night.